What it do? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl DeSiree, and I'm back on the cam with another video. And look, if y'all want to know how to make at least $300 using cash crates, this lovely site right here, this lovely site, this one, then stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna get right into this video, and I'm just gonna tell y'all now, cash crates is a scam. You're not going to make any money using cash crates. What they do is have you do all this stuff, and what makes me really upset is that people we look up to or influencers post these sites making it seem like we're gonna make money when no, you just got paid to post this and I'm not gonna make any money. Let me see if I can find the girl's page that I saw this posted on, and I was like, she know that's a scam. Like, come on now. Cynthia, Trey's girlfriend. Like, you can do all this stuff, sign up, get friends to refer, and all this stuff. And at the end of the day, it's gonna say you made money, but when you withdraw, you're never gonna get any money. Because let's just be realistic. When you withdraw money into PayPal or Cash App, it's instant. These sites tell you, wait 30 days to get your money. PayPal and Cash App are instant. That was the point of PayPal and Cash App, because people don't like how long it takes to get money when you do it to the bank. It takes 2 or 3 days. So why do I wait 30 days for some money that's supposed to be going to PayPal or Cash App? These things are fake. These are scams. Stop wasting your time. If you want to know how to make real money, follow me, subscribe. I got plenty of sites to make real money, okay? Real money. Like all these influencers are really on here promoting this when you're not going to make not a dime. You wasted your life trying to get more people to their site, getting them money, whoever owns Cash Crate, getting them money, and you're not getting nothing. It's so many sites that scam people. Like, it's another site that a fan sent me, and I deleted it right away because you don't make no money off this site. Let's be realistic. They're not giving you $35 to do one survey. They're not. They're about to give you $5, $2, anything under $5, I might believe. $25 to do a survey. And then they don't want you to buy nothing at the end. No. It's a scam. Stop falling for these scams. And so, if y'all really want to make money, just keep watching this video, because I'm going to show y'all how they are scamming y'all. Listen. First of all, you're not gonna make no money from these apps. None at all. I'm sorry, you thought you was. I'm sorry, boo. But they're scamming you. They're getting thousands of people to come click on their site, giving them money, giving them cha-ching. They know what they're doing. They're getting people, young people. They're getting these influencers who have followers that are 15 and under, thinking that they can make some money. They just want to make some money because they can't get a job yet. Like, you're not making no money on these sites. I promise you, it's a scam. They're getting all this money for you referring to friends, for you having people just click on their site, period. For you clicking on their site, and they're paying these influencers to post these on their pages. And if you got an influencer or a famous person that you follow that's posting these cash crates telling you to make some money, unfollow them, because they're lying to you. Unfollow them because they're not good role models. They're not trying to see you win. They got you wasting your time and you're not making no money. I have never used cash crates in my life, but I know for a fact, if Chipotle is really paying their workers $10.50 an hour, why would this site give you $10 to refer a friend? Why, hunty? They're not. Okay, they're just gonna keep pushing different dates. They're gonna keep saying they can't send your money, or they're gonna send it in 30 days, or they're just gonna, like, it's just a cycle. There's so many sites that does this. You're not gonna win or get any money. Like cash crates, scam, biggest scam ever. Because you got influencers posting it. You got your friends saying you can make money. You can't make any money, okay? None. No money at all. I promise. This is what they're doing. You do these things and it posts. It shows you have this much where you can withdraw it, but it's not going to go into your PayPal. It's not going to go into your Cash App. It's so many apps like this, and I don't want y'all to get scammed because it's so many ways, legit ways to make money. Like I told y'all in the last video, everybody needs to start a YouTube. This money is good money. This money is real money. This money can spend. This is not no fake money. You just posting a screenshot of what cash crates say when that's not going to convert into US dollars. I'm sorry. It's making me mad. It's not real money, and we need real money out here. Hold on. I'm sorry for interrupting your video, but I've noticed you came this far and have yet to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. It's red. Go ahead and change it from subscribe to subscribed, okay? And be loyal and don't unsubscribe, okay? I like loyal people, and I know you can do it, okay? Back to the video. Bye, guys. Really want to make money, subscribe to me. Subscribe. I got so many ways to make dough from the house. Cash Crash try to get you to do surveys, side hustles, shopping, all this different stuff. When you do it, it's just gonna stay on your account. You've made some money, but you're not making nothing. They just get you onto the site, giving them money. And they want your email. They're gonna be sending you all these spam emails, but you're not making any money. All this stuff, paid promotions, it's nothing. They just gonna be sending spam emails to you, getting more money because they sell our emails to foreign countries, and they're gonna be calling us and blowing up our phone, unknown numbers we don't know, trying to get your social security number, trying to scam you. This stuff is a scam, and it's a loop, and it's a bigger loop. Listen, don't answer unknown numbers because it's most likely somebody trying to hack into your phone or scam or something. If it's important, they're going to leave a voicemail. If it's important, they're going to leave a voicemail. Doctors leave voicemails. Dentists leave voicemails. When you got a job appointment or anything, they leave voicemails. Important places leave voicemails because they know everybody can't be at their phone at the same time. But if it's not important, they're not going to leave a voicemail, period. They just got you clicking on this site, getting your personal information, and then selling it to all these different people, getting money. They're getting paid to do this. You're not getting nothing, and then they're paying people with lots of following, dummies, to tell you that you're gonna make money. It's a scam. I promise you. Subscribe. I can help you make real money from home, from your phone, from your laptop. All you need is Wi-Fi, maybe some headphones, your phone. You're never gonna get the cash. They're wasting your time. Time is valuable. You don't have forever. You're not gonna be here until you're 200 years old. You don't have all day to be giving your time to cash crate, trying to get more people onto their site, stealing more people's personal information, and you're not going to get anything. Like, I'm so upset right now. Like, I don't think y'all understand. You can do so many surveys, so many things. You're not gonna get. They have real survey sites where you can get real money, money that you can spend at stores. Get you some new shoes, get your lashes done, get you some lip gloss, link is in the description, get you some AirPods, get your hair done, get you some real jewelry. This is fake, but baby, it's cute. All that, I promise you, there is so many ways. There's 14-year-olds, 13-year-olds starting businesses, becoming millionaires off of their phone. They didn't have to do no hard work, labor. There's drop shipping. You can do any, you can do anything. Just start. Stop being crazy. Stop believing in cash crates. And there's so many other sites that I don't have to rant about because y'all keep doing it. Y'all keep believing it. And that's why you wondering why you got all these spam emails. You wonder why they got all these missed calls from foreign countries, from unknown numbers, from different states. You wonder why people call you telling you you got student loan debt when you ain't even went to college yet. Because you don't gave your information to this site and they're selling it and they're making dough. Look, just share this video. Tell people to stop using cash crates. And if you got a influencer who's posting it, go comment you the fakest I know. Period. Because why are they selling y'all false drinks? Why are they selling y'all all this fake stuff? Go watch my last video because DDG OnlyFans account is giving gems. I have been posting since I got on there because he's motivating. He's telling us what to do, what not to do. He's really giving real information. Listen, I don't forget that. Stop being on cash crates. It was another site a fan sent to me. I'm going to talk about that one too tomorrow because it's not real. It's not real money. It's just on that site. It's loading every time you click off and click onto these sites that they want you to click off on, but that's asking for your address, your phone number, where they're going to send you credit cards and you just turned 18. You just turned 18 and they're sending you credit cards trying to get you in debt at a young age. They're trying to, don't do it. I promise y'all. These credit cards companies, as soon as you start 18, you start getting credit cards out the butthole, out the ass. I promise y'all, don't fall for it. Wait till you can actually pay off your credits. Yes, I don't think credit cards are bad because you got some good credit and bad credit, but don't get it as soon as you get a credit card because they say you got a $5,000 a month limit. Do you know you gotta pay that back? Like, come on now, $10,000 a month limit. Don't go into debt over school when YouTube and Google can teach you out. Yes, I feel like, bro, let me stop ranting because it makes me so mad how they try to keep the people in poverty, the people in poor. Like, when you go to, they send all these military people to low income areas when you're in high school. But when we need the military or when they not here. When we need stuff like that, they not here. But they stay quick to recruit you to fight for this country that don't care about you. I can talk about this all day because I'm telling y'all, 9 to 5's not gonna get you a millionaire. If you don't invest in yourself, nobody else will. If you keep believing in these sites, you're gonna be in a loop, just how they want you to be. They want you to get on their site. Clicking on it gives them money. Clicking on it gives them money. Clicking on it gives them money. Then they want you to bring in more people to say you gonna get some money when you not. And then they gonna tell you to do this survey, and on the survey it's gonna say you finna get an iPhone, you finna get an Apple Watch, you finna get $100 gift card to Walmart, $1,000 gift card to Best Buy. And what they asking for? Your phone number, your address, how old you are, do you have life insurance, do you have a car, do you have car insurance, how many children are in your house. And you know, once you answer all these questions correctly, they're gonna be sending you. I did it incorrectly on purpose. I said I was a male. I said I was born in a year I wasn't. I did it incorrect on purpose. And it still said I got my $25 cap. It's still, and then they start sending stuff to your, I was getting mail. I knew it was for me because I filled out this thing incorrectly. But baby, my name is not Joshua. Like, I don't even know what Joshua, I don't think. Like, it's sending me credit cards under Joshua when Joshua don't even live here. It's a scam. Stop falling for this scam. I promise y'all, it's a scam. I got a video me cooking breakfast coming. Lipstick, link is in the description. I'm gonna start wearing my lashes because y'all be DMing me like, girl, where your lashes? You keep with your lashes because I do post them on my social media. But waking up and getting on lashes is just like, oh. But I'm gonna start wearing my lashes, y'all. Just stop falling for a cash crash. You're not gonna make $300 a day, $500 a day. You're not. It's clickbait. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to teach you that it's a scam. Just stop. Okay? Don't put your email. Don't put your address. Don't put your phone number. They're gonna be blowing you up. Unknown numbers. Y'all should see how many unknown numbers I got because I did that long time ago. Like, and I still get calls from unknown numbers. Promise y'all. And they gonna forever be missed calls because it be calls from states I've never been to, calls from countries I've never visited. But thank y'all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl channel, and like I always say, if they can do it, we can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Get up and grind. Let's go. No days off. No days off. Grind don't stop here. I'm finna go post on my social media this site I use to make change. And when I say change, I mean like $5 to $50. Okay, that's change because you can't buy nothing with that. But some food, a little stuff. Can't do nothing with that. They ain't gonna pay no bills.